Hey, real quick, before you click away or mute me or do whatever you're going to do, I just want to provide you with a really quick update on what's going on here at this Basecamp channel. Uh, First of all, thanks for stopping by. And I hope you find the content that's here very useful. If you're on the eCam learning journey, there's 14 modules plus on how to do things in eCam. I've invested a lot of my time in this channel, and I made the choice earlier this year in 2025 to essentially stop posting content here. Mainly because, well, first of all, I'm spread really thin. I got to be honest with you. I've got a lot of interests and they're all over the place, and my time, I have to focus my energy where things are going to provide a return, to be brutally honest. And with so much great content out there, training content that exists for eCam, it didn't make a whole lot of sense for me to keep going after this when I needed to charge for it, whereas somebody else who didn't need to charge for it would make it for free. Makes sense, right? It's economics. So that said, all of the work that I put into this channel so far is all out there now for everybody to consume. And, I guess you could say my loss, your gain, but it's not really that. Your gain is your gain. And I'm happy to provide it to you because at the end of the day, we all win. If you become a better eCammer because of something that was posted on this channel here, great. I think it's awesome. So that's where it stands right now. So where am I going to go from here? I got lots of little things going on. Like I said, I'm spread really thin. I'm getting into some other technologies and things that kind of take me back to my roots. And I can't talk a lot about it right now. But if you want to find out where I'm going, where things are headed, head over to my channel, and I'm going to point to this side here because that's where YouTube puts it. This is my personal channel. So all my future product reviews as it relates to streamers will be up there. So I've got things coming up. Like I've got I'm talking about this cage for the Osmo Pocket 3. And whenever you're watching this, you may be like, God, that was like 5 years ago. Hopefully it's not. But, I've got this stuff coming up. I've got a trigger mechanism from Small Rig, and I've got a bunch of other stuff that I'm talking about on the new channel. Won't be here. But I thank you for your time. I thank you for coming by, and I will see you over at my personal channel, and then look in my personal channel for where I'm going from there. All right. Take care. Good luck, and enjoy the content that's here. All right. I'll see you later. Bye.